morning children. Welcome back to Standard 2 English Literature class. Today I am going to take part 2 of chapter 10, Owl and the Moon. In the last class we had started to learn about a new story. The name of the story is Owl and the Moon. Till now we have seen that the owl is sad whenever there is darkness but gets happy when there is light. The story also shows how the owl speaks to the moon considering it has a friend. The owl tells moon to go back and not to follow her as owl does not have dinner to give, and also moon will not fit in her house. Now let us continue with the story. Owl kept on walking. The moon sailed after him over the top of the trees. So children, the owl has already told moon to go back. Now moon is following the owl. You sailed after him means moved quickly and smoothly after him. Moon said, Owl, I think you can't hear me. Owl tells to Moon, I think you can't hear me. Why does he say this? Because he is asking Moon to go back, but till it is following him. So Owl climbed to the top of the hill. He shouted as loud as he could, Goodbye, Moon. Owl feels that Moon is not able to hear him. So he climbed on top of the hill and shouts, Goodbye, Moon. He feels that from such a height, the moon may hear him. The moon went behind some clouds. Owl looked and looked. The moon was gone. Now moon went behind some clouds and was no longer visible. Owl kept looking but could not see the moon. It is always a little sad to say goodbye to a friend, said Owl. Owl is feeling sad now. He feels that saying goodbye to a friend is always sad. Owl came home. He put on his pajamas and went to bed. So finally, Owl has reached his home. He wears his pajamas and goes to his bed to sleep. Pajama means, children, you know what is it? Before sleep, night suit, no? Do you wear night suit? The room was very dark. Owl was still feeling sad. So children, Owl is feeling sad again. Why? Because the room is very dark. We have seen earlier also that whenever he is in darkness, he feels sad. Suddenly, Owl's room was filled with silver light. Now suddenly, Owl's room has become bright with the silver light. Silver light here means moonlight. Owl looked out of the window. The moon was coming out from behind the clouds. So children, Owl looks out of the window to see from where this bright light is coming. He sees that the moon is coming out from behind the clouds. Moon, you have followed me all the way to cheer me up. What a good friend you are, said Owl. So Owl says to the moon, you have come so far following me just to cheer me up. Your cheer me up means to make someone happy. He says to the moon that you are a good friend. Then Owl put his head on the pillow and closed his eyes. After seeing the moon, Owl is feeling better. He puts his head on the pillow and closes his eyes. The moon was shining down through the window. Owl did not feel sad at all. The moonlight was coming through the window. Owl did not feel sad because they were light now. So children, how did you like the story? Do you like to see the moon at night? So in this story, we saw how the owl thinks that the moon is his friend. He feels that when the moon is not visible because of clouds. But finally, when he goes to sleep, the moon is visible and he is happy. Watch the video again for better understanding. Take care till we meet in the next class. Bye bye.